AJ baby is your baby. Who be that? Hey, no other person than Adekunle Gold. My people in matter. In fact, I just wake up, they hear many things for Twitter. Hey, my battery even die. Adekunle Gold. Adekunle Gold. When I hear the name everywhere. Wetin come my mind before be say, this man don release another album, hit song. My people, na so I say make I check am. Hey, una no go believe am. Again one wetin they call am, one lekpa like that, lekpa two shots, lekpa shots. One girl like that, they say na video vixen madam. Her name na wetin they call am, Teminika. Anyhow, they say this girl and Adekunle Gold. They say that they paint the whole Nigeria red. They say love they flow. They you understand? Serious allegations they rise up. And my people, when I face hear this thing, I thought saying a lie. Say Adekunle with me and no. Out of 1,000 relationships, marriages. This man, if they bring her outside, I feel even beat my chest, break her. Say this man he's not capable of cheating. But when I check her and I hear different, because I know say me I like to confirm my things very well. Different sources. Even people come outside, they testify, say yes, we get something, we do this one. For now, we don't know how this whole cheating matter start. You know, say this guy is a musician. And the girl where they talk about Teminika video victim. So they work together. For one, they do set for one of the Adekunle Gold song where they do. Now from that set, and Mata even reach me say, these guys they flirt with women. Hey, if you see say you fine. And I notice something, but I say you get something with like people, all these slim girls. Now so the thing start from that set. Mata even reach me again. Say that they even inside car. I can't wonder which style they never do safe. This is heartbreaking. In fact, I am disappointed. Wetin bring me here now? The girl in question, the husband snatcher, don't finally come outside. And according to Ram, she said she did traumatized. Say since where people they talk about this thing, saying brain no feel reset again, brain she no feel focus. So right now the thing even they affecting family, it they affecting relationship, it they affecting brand, it they affecting head. In fact, nothing where this thing no affect. Now wait till she come outside talk according to her, she they can't clear the air. I will put the apology. Sorry, her speech, the cheater speech. Now wetin she dey talk be this, my people. My question now, be say, first of all, I know say me, I know they use see me play. I feel break person head because of see me. I know they use. I beg, no, see me too gentle now. E get people where if heartbreak suppose come their way, no be see me. Give am to person wey strong. I no wan mention name, you understand? You get people, see, just like the way we dey talk say there are some things God cannot give Africa, like earthquake, all those things, because God knows say we no fit handle am. He dey carry and share am for all those white people. Now the same thing with this heartbreak. Abeg, Adekunle carry am go am. No be see me. No, not too like. See me na my person now. I'm not just understand. This guy, he dey lucky say I travel when this matter because I know they around. Because me and you, you see that your African trousers wey you always dey wear, we go enter inside. Back to my question. Abeg, based on this girl speech, abi statement, abi air clearing, when she come outside, my question now be say you do am, abi you no do am? Did you does it or you did not does it? Which one? Because now this explanation, I know they like this kind of thing. They talk say you cheat, and if you not say you no cheat, at least come outside tell us say, oh, I didn't do it. If you didn't did it, tell us you didn't did it. No, they come outside, it's affecting my marriage, it's affecting my family. No, who will consign? It's not my consignment. You know, you never clear any air. My sister, no be like this, they clear air. You know, see Destiny Etiko. She even come outside, swear with him, mama. See, nothing way new for our eye. Now you dey come outside, you no even, you at least Destiny even try, she talk about the matter. You come outside, they tell us say the thing dey affect you. No, how that one clear air for this place? Abeg, see, as I dey see this girl like this, I no know how una dey see her, but me, I just dey see Rosie Mira. Na only Rosie Mira dey see. Abi that one say, he's my brother, she's my sister. I call am brother, she call me sister. This one na wetin we go call them. He's my boss, I'm his staff. You know they knew. See, you people never come out to agree before. I dey look for that courageous person wey go admit say, I did this thing, but I'm sorry about it. I dey look for that person. All of una go do when you come outside now, suddenly you become a Christian. Person wey never kill fly before, na like this they do. Biko, you people should leave people's husbands. You know yourselves, you are inside this thing. I no understand. Before they talk say leave people boyfriend, but at least boyfriend, no be say they support say person go carry person boyfriend, but I want make you check the levels. At least if na boyfriend, we fit also una people some like the way some people go dey talk. No, he never marry you, now why you dey fight for am? Ngwanu, boyfriend may we leave on one side. This one they are married. For God's sake, make una leave people's husbands, ladies. Leave people's husbands alone. I just imagine the heartbreak wey see me they go through now. I just imagine am. You know they easy. Now e dey everywhere. The one wey even they pay me now, they even do an inside car. Hey, my brother, you never even carry your wife, make una do an inside car. You carry this one, do. They say that say they flirt. Oh, say if you just see woman like this, you don't start. Now wow, wait I tell you now before. Fear all these men where they quiet. All these men wey get gentle character, they know they talk, they know sabi. If they catch you for corner, they go chop you like two. Fear them. If there's hey, no, Adekule go, this guy just for my hand. I say you go just come. Hey, baby, it's your baby. Because you are not more our baby. We know. I'm not just see. At the verse right now, my people. At the beg. Funny enough, the thing even they funny me for this thing. They say, ladies, una no say when you deal with one married man and you have something with the married man, for una mind, I'm his girlfriend. I'm his this one. You are just a booty call. They call you when they need the booty. Finish. Later, this man, see, sooner or later, the fact remains that this man will return to his wife. Why you no fit think? And if you return to his wife, now you are alone. Look for your partner. Look for somebody that two of you will grow together. Why una, I don't understand. Una go wait, make person work finish. Then una go chop inside. How it thunder go soon fire devil? Hey, now wow. See, in as much as I know they wait till they talk about. In as much as they blame this girl, I also they blame men. Men, una need to learn to respect your wives, your home. Serious, because see, we go they blame ladies. Not be the man go meet the woman. Assuming the man there on your own now, nothing will happen. So I beg, in as much as we they blame this girl, make una also look at the coolest side, because if you no come up for house, nobody go see her. Very, very important. All these people where they not fit just wait till they call that English. You not fit just they professional. Do your work. If it, I beg, I'm not gonna talk past this one again. I beg, I don't want to talk. My people, I say I must bring her outside because this thing, no, now because of Simi I dey do am. Now my personal person, me and Simi, be like 5 and 6, very important. And I beg my Simi, sweet Simi. Now I better take heart. Oh, don't worry, this one too shall pass. Very, very important. Anybody will not see your value, they go soon see her. And shame on them. I bet my people now the matter be this very, very hot right now and see me on serious fire. So anything where you got store, drop out for that comment section. And make sure say you share this video because they must hear this my voice. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, you go to miss matters like this one. Stay tuned for our next story.